Antonio, an inmate who is unable to sleep and eat while serving his sentence due to loneliness and despair, should undergo A. Rehabilitation, B. Guidance, C. Correction, D. Counseling. Answer D. Counseling. Republic Act Number 4203 created what particular agency? A. Department of Justice, B. Bureau of Corrections, C. Probation Office, D. Board of Pardons and Parole. Answer D. Board of Pardons and Parole. A security facility usually operated by the police for temporary detention of persons held under custodial investigation. A. Lockup, B. Workhouse jail, C. Correction, D. Detention center. Answer A. Lockup. Refers to a formal group or association organized to promote social or individual welfare. A. Community agencies, B. Social service exchange, C. Family service agencies, D. NGOs. Answer A. Community agencies. This is a method of helping parolees by which the parole office performs referral services. A. Manipulative technique, B. Executive technique, C. Casework technique, D. Guidance and counseling technique. Answer B. Executive technique. A parole officer undertakes what particular broad function? A. Community protection, B. Service to individuals, C. Supervision of parolee, D. Both A and B. Answer D. Both A and B. It is used by the parole board as a guide in determining the prisoner's eligibility for parole and preparing his parole program. A. Pre-release progress report, B. Pre-board summary, C. Pre-referral summary, D. Post-sentence investigation report. Answer A. Pre-release progress report. Which among the following is not a part of an ideal medical service in a prison facility? A. Medicine and surgery, B. Psychiatry, C. Dentistry, D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. It helps in the improvement of the prisoner in the cultural and practical aspects of social living. A. Recreational program, B. Arts and crafts, C. Sports activities, D. Library service. Answer D. Library service. It is an integral part of a prisoner's rehabilitation which serves as an outlet for human expression and a form of release from one's inherent desire to create. A. Music, B. Sports, C. Arts and crafts, D. Library service. Answer C. Arts and crafts.